Well, there are many reasons to attend the ARC Advisory Forum. I think the biggest is that it is a very unique ecosystem or community that not only includes some of the top asset owners that are going through digital transformation, it includes the top vendors and technology companies that are driving the ability to make digital transformation. It's the ARC analysts, though, also adding their perspective and subject matter expertise to it, and there is a plethora of professional media here. So I think the mix is extremely unique. The format itself is often discussion based, so it's a combination of the analysts, it's a combination of the technology vendors, the asset owners, but as well as the audience. And so some really dynamic conversations and ideas to advance safety, sustainability, reliability, asset management, value from asset management are all kind of converging here at the ARC Forum. I have never missed an event. I go to, if you follow me at all, you know I go to a lot of conferences. Many of them are hit and miss. I have never missed an ARC Forum, and I am already having next year on my calendar. So I hope you'll come and we'll meet at the ARC Forum.